Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back in the PHP course again. Now we will create a complete project of registration form with each and every option that is used in a form and with all validations. So let's just start the work without wasting time. So first of all, I will create a new file here and we'll just put the basic HTML5 extension and the basic codes head, and after that title, registration form, title close, head close, and then body will start from here, and body we will close body here and HTML here. That's it. Now control S to save this file, and it will be something like a registration.php file. So we can go here to the projects folder and can see registration.php here. Click it. Now there is nothing, but we are just going to create something really nice and useful. So the first thing for a complete project, registration form, where you can add different input types like radio button, checkboxes, image, and different kind of text, and we are this time creating a complete registration form. So first of all, create a form, and so action page will be the same registration.php, and method will be post, and ink type will be is equal to multi-part form dash data. So basically this time I'm teaching you a complete admin panel, a complete admin panel with this registration form. So we can actually view the users, can delete the users, can edit the users, and we can actually log them in. They can log into the website. So for that I have a dummy page, so we'll use that later, but at the moment we need to just focus on creating this registration form. After we complete this task, then we'll create the login system as well. So there are so many things in this project. So the first thing is to create a table basically inside the form, and this table will have different TDs and TRs, and inside the TDs we will just put the input types. So we will actually make a beautiful table, beautiful registration form using table. So the first TR is about something like it will have two TDs. In each of our TR will have two table data, and table TDs. Now here we will say in the first one, we'll just copy and paste this a lot of times. We may need different things to add. The first thing we need to say here is that inside a strong tag means this is HTML tag, which makes the text a little bit bolder, and we say we will say name. That's fine. And in the next TD we'll add input tag, which type will be text, and name will be underscore user underscore name, and placeholder will be something enter or not, we just can say value. Okay, placeholder is okay. Enter your name. That's it. Let's make it more better by making it like this. Now once again I will copy this, so I cannot I don't need to write anything, and this td will have align is equal to right, and just I will remove this all trs because I want to now copy this whole bunch of code and paste it again and again. What I did, I just created a form. You're familiar with form, how to create a form and what these attributes means, action, post, and this. Now after that I created a table, so we can create a little bit nice form this time, so the data is just looking beautiful and fantastic. And I added one tr, and inside one tr I added just two tds. So one td will have the name of the the name attribute, so the user can actually recognize that this field is for name. And in the next td I have just put the input type text, and its name is username. Using this name we will take the data in PHP, and this is just a dummy text to show inside the text field. That's it, really simple. Now we'll copy this whole bunch of code, paste it 4 to 5 times, and just I need to change here this to password, next to email, and the name is also user pass, the field name I am talking about, user email, and country, user country. Okay, it's nice. Okay, and you need to actually change this as well. Enter your pass, enter your email, select your country. Basically we need to actually put the select tag here, not this input. Select, and its name will be country, and select close. Now here option 1 will be about just select a country, option close. And now in the next we'll say country will be Afghanistan, and just copy this option, paste it few more times. Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, United States, and Germany. That's it. You can add more countries accordingly. Now the next thing will be about phone number. This will be text, user number, enter your phone. And the next will be about address, and here we will add a text area instead of input. Text area text area tag, and name will be address, or just user underscore address. And calls, we can add calls here. Calls mean columns, so columns will be basically 30, and rows will be is equal to 5. And we need to actually close the text area as well, because this is not a single tag. Control S to save. Now the next thing, we need to add something like here we can say gender. Yes, and in the gender field we need two inputs inside the TD. One has already been added and the next will be this one. So here we will say first male, its name will be user underscore gender, and here we need to add a value attribute as well. It will be equal to male. I will tell you what this value attribute does later, and we need to actually remove the placeholder from here because we don't need it right there. And value of the second one will be is equal to female, and we will also write female here, and the type will be actually radio. Radio means radio selectable button, and the user underscore gender, I mean the name of both will be the same, user gender, because if we keep the name of both the inputs the same, then one will only be selectable, and if we don't keep the name the same, then both will be selected. So we only want one to be selected, and then we want to put the value in the database, which might be male or female. So that's simple logic can have out there. Now the next thing here is about okay, image. This will be about image. We don't need placeholder here as well. The name of this will be user underscore image, and type will be file. Now we need one more TD here, one more TR basically. Inside the TR we need a TD. Inside the TD we need input type submit. Its name will be register, and value will also be register now. That's it, simple, nice. Control is to save and see what's happening out there. Just first of all I will just add a color, a line to table. It will be center align, and something BG color will be is equal to gray, and width will be is equal to 600. Control is to save. Now check this page out. Fresh, you can see like this: name, email, select a country, phone number and address, and male, female, and choose a file and things like that. But we can actually put, first of all let me make the width 500, and we can just change the text area columns to 20. Let me see, yes, 20 will be enough. And now refresh the page, and you see something really nice, really beautiful. But there is one problem. We need to actually add the first tr here for a title, a simple title about something like a TD and TD close, and inside the TD we will add h2 tag, heading 2, and you will say new users register here, h2 close. That's it. Control S to save. Now refresh the page, and you see new users register here. But there is problem in this button and this text. So we need to overcome this by just adding call span attribute to this TD, and that will be something like 8. This is because we actually want something clear. What we want, we want to merge the other TDs inside, I mean this area, because above this is only one TD, but below there are two TDs in each TR, so we need to merge them. I did something like that, and the a line of this TD will be basically this whole TR will be center. Roll S to save. Press the page. You can see that is now centered align. And same we will do with the here with the submit button. We'll add some call span, which will be 8, and TR will be is equal, align will be center. Align is just an attribute for each tag you use in HTML. Refresh the page and you can see registered now. This is cool, nice and beautiful, but we don't need to add 8. We can add 6 because this is now it's too much. I will just remove it from here. We'll keep it 6 only from the top TD. Anyways, it's fine, nice, okay, but I mean this is something. Okay, let's add some styles in CSS, because we can use CSS as well. So for table we'll say color of the text will be white, and refresh the page, you see color is white. And we'll further say padding will be 10 pixel. Now it's looking more nice and beautiful. And here we will say width should be 400. We already have added that, but again I would just want to check if that is looking better. Yes, this is looking more better. And we can say the inputs will have a class, I mean the input types. I will say padding 5 pixels. You can see now it's looking more nice and beautiful. And for the body tag I will say something padding 0, margin 0. Control S to save. I just want to remove these extra by default styles from the browser. Now it's looking really awesome, you know. And if I want to add a background to body, I can do that. I will say sky blue will be the background, so it will make it more beautiful. Now I think it should be fine. We have name, password, and country. Select the person can select the country and can enter name, or we can also add the person's birthday there out there. Just copy this whole bunch of code, paste it here. We'll say birthday, and in here input will be date, type will be date, and this will be b_day, I mean birthday. So nice. Refresh the page and you can see by default the HTML5 has picked up the the date calendar, which automatically comes here. The person can select whatever year they want basically. whatever year or whatever date they want here. It's really nice feature in HTML5. So cool and clean, we have just simply created the form and a little bit we have styled it up. Now the next thing is to a little bit validate it with HTML5 and then with PHP, and after that we will insert the data to database, and we will also then show the data back. So see you in the next lecture with validation and other stuff.